Meaning of dolefully.
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 Dolefully. Dolefully means to express sadness or grief in a manner that is marked by a lack of hope or enthusiasm. When someone is doleful, they may appear withdrawn, dejected, or melancholy. This kind of emotional state can manifest in physical symptoms, such as slumped shoulders, a downcast gaze, and a quiet tone of voice. Dolefulness is often associated with feelings of loss, disappointment, or despair, and it can be difficult to shake off. Overall, dolefully describes a state of deep sorrow or grieving that permeates a person's entire being and affects how they interact with the world around them.